Hello friends, today we will discuss the randomized algorithms, then hiring problem and indicator random variables. So in examination, any two of these points or any two of these topics are asked in the examination. So it may be randomized algorithm along with indicator random variable, randomized algorithm with hiring problem, or hiring problem with indicator random variable. So these are very simple concepts. So first we will see randomized algorithm. So randomized algorithm is defined as an algorithm that is allowed to access a source of an independent unbiased bit, and it is then allowed to use these random bits to influence its computation. So randomized algorithms are particularly useful when faced with attacker who purposefully tries to give bad input to the algorithm. So generally randomized algorithm is used for attacker who is purposefully tries to give bad input to the algorithm. Now here in randomized algorithm the input is random. So for example, if we have given 1000 numbers and we want to sort any 10 numbers, so from 1000 numbers your random algorithm will get any 10 numbers from these 1000 numbers and then it will be applicable. So in randomized algorithm generally attacker give the bad input to the algorithm, and that's why randomized algorithm are used. Generally attacker know that some fixed input is given and we get some fixed output, but when we use the randomized algorithm always the input is randomized and output can be somewhat different. So attacker may fail his idea if we use the randomized algorithm. Now randomized algorithm can be categorized into two classes. So there are two classes of randomized algorithm. First algorithm or first classification is called as Las Vegas algorithm, and second is Monte Carlo algorithm. So these names are very interesting. So randomized algorithms are classified into two, Las Vegas algorithm and Monte Carlo algorithm. Now we will see the difference so that it will be clear. Las Vegas algorithm always produce the same output for the same input. That means if we give the same input, if we give the input today and the same input if we give tomorrow, we will get the same output always. In Las Vegas, the execution time depends upon the output of the randomizer, so it significantly varies. So whatever the randomizer you will use, the execution time depend upon that randomizer, and so the output of the randomizer, so it significantly varies. So execution time significantly varies. It depends upon the input that randomizer will generate. So in Las Vegas, the time required for execution significantly varies, and it will produces the same input for the same output for the same input. But again remember, though the input is same, your output is also same, but you are providing the randomized input. So next classification is Monte Carlo algorithm. The output differs from run to run for same input. Now in Las Vegas, what is happening, if you give same input you will get the same output always. But in Monte Carlo, if we give the same input, there may be a chance that you will get the different output. But there is one disadvantage, that consider any problem whose answer is only yes or no. Okay, the problem you have designed and the answer expected is only yes or no. So if we apply the Monte Carlo algorithm for this particular type of problem, you may get wrong answer, because for the same input we are not getting the same output. So today it will say yes that for particular output, and tomorrow it will say no for the same output, for the same input. So at this situation your Monte Carlo algorithm may give wrong output. Not much varies in run to run execution time. In Las Vegas algorithm, we have already seen that execution time significantly varies, but in Monte Carlo algorithm, execution time is not much variant. That means if one input takes 5 seconds, another also take the 4.5 or 5.1 that much second. So execution time does not affect here or does not vary significantly here in Monte Carlo, but in Las Vegas it significantly varies. So that's all about randomized algorithm.